we are going to take a look at the laundry landscape page in our workbook today. And this one is actually in the sculpture section of our workbook, which means that we're going to be building something with materials and supplies that you just have lying around a house. And you might not realize that you have them, but you have things like, say, a washcloth or even a sock. Stuff is what you're looking for. Things like a t-shirt or a blanket, and we're going to make a landscape out of this. But we have some rules that you need to think about before you get started. First, clean laundry only. I don't want to go see you in your dirty socks, okay? Next, help put away the laundry when you take it out. Don't just leave it around for somebody else to clean up after you, because that's just rude. We're better than that, all right? Take a picture of your project when you're done, okay? Because then I can know what it looks like. Otherwise, I'll never know. Ask before you take anything. So like this washcloth, don't go just stealing it out of your mom's cleaning stuff, okay? And last but not least, you can crop the picture when you're done, okay? Now, different fabrics have different patterns and stuff, but I'm just going to show you what that looks like when I work on mine. So let's take a look at how to make a landscape out of laundry. All right, so now that I have that done, I need to go through and finish filling out my sheet, okay? So 4 things I chose to create in my landscape are, I included the moon, mountains, a house, and I included a lake. Oh, I don't need to write included because that's already on there. A lake. I also did like a bush and some trees. I could have written those down too, but don't be like, I did 1 tree, I did 2 tree, I did 3 tree, all right? Make sure so I had 3 mountains, but I just wrote down mountains, okay? And so something I think I did a good job on is, I think my mountains really looked like mountains because they looked like they were far away. Period. The hardest part to make was, some of those parts were pretty tricky. I think the small stuff like the moon. So the small stuff like the moon or the bush, because my laundry was kinda too big for that. All right, now I need to turn in a picture of this and my laundry landscape, not just the laundry landscape, okay? Once that's all done, you are done with this project.